guys, you're welcome to 3 Points Auto Tech. My name is Harry Adini. Just want to give you a few tips you need to know about diesel engine performance vehicle. I just want to talk about this BM here, S6 2012. Here in Nigeria, we realized that most diesel engine users complain about rough movement after like 1-2 years of usage of performance vehicle like this. They have sluggish movement from the vehicle, and then most of the time when you do diagnosis, the fault you see most of the time is always the diesel particulate filter. What is diesel particulate filter? It's found around your exhaust system, like the way on your fuel system that you have the catalytic converter in our diesel performance engine. Because what this particular filter does is it filters the black carbon that's been generated during the combustion, stroke of the engine, and then because of the emission regulation, it is expected that the harmful gases should not go into the atmosphere. So this particulate filter works in a way to hold those harmful gases and the carbon to ensure that we don't have black smoke coming outside, because it's harmful to our health. But the way this vehicle works is, at the time the vehicle is running, say like 40 to 70 meters per hour consecutively, like 10 minutes without stopping. At that same time, that is when the diesel particulate filter release those harmful gases in a way that it has been worked on, and then it's worked fine. But here in Lagos, we know we have traffic everywhere. It's difficult to drive your vehicle at that same speed for say like 10-15 minutes. So it's difficult. So most of the time we end up having issue with having problem with your diesel particulate filter. Why? Is because it's difficult to have the opportunity to do like 50 to 80 meters per hour continuously because of traffic and so many other factors here. So most of the time you have issue with your diesel particulate filter. You want to see what we call diesel particulate filter? Okay, I can show you. Here is what it looks like, just like the one you have, like your catalyst. See, this is what it is here. So like for this BM, this is the diesel particulate filter. All right. But if you look right into it, you can see that it's blackish in color because it has taken a lot of residue of carbon, and that's why we have it this way. So the way it is, it's going to be advisable you do a replacement. That's the best way to go. Though so many companies are coming up with so many additives, chemicals to flush out the carbon right in the diesel particulate filter, but in most cases you don't have, most of the time it's not always perfect. You might end up still want to change the diesel particulate filter. Of course, I know you want to ask that where's the location of the diesel particulate filter, and that's why here is the BM vehicle, on the lift. So you can see the exhaust system, right, coming from here. And then, so your diesel particulate filter is located somewhere immediately after the exhaust manifold. You have your diesel particulate filter, so it has been removed. All right, and then so this is where it's located, somewhere in there. So, all right. So, and you have the diesel particulate filter right on every diesel engine, performance vehicle. It's mandatory, it's important to have the diesel particulate filter to ensure that the harmful gases doesn't get to the atmosphere. Very important. I just want to let you know the function of the diesel particulate filter. Thank you guys. From 3 Point Auto Tech, my name is Harry.